In this question number 2, we have to explain the procedure of survey a trapezoidal site using a compass. First, step by step procedure. Second, calculations for angle measurements. First, in this process, if we consider a site which is very big and then which is very big and have undulated surface in it, every side could not be a 90 degree, it have various angles in it. For this sides measurement, we need objects like viewing slit and object slit, horsehair and horsehair to match the two slits in it by using the compass, and another objects like ranging rod and peg for location of various of different points. And this and the procedure now, first we have to place a viewing slit over here, and then object slit, and then comes the ranging rod. Observers, we have to observe from a viewing slit, and it comes to the object slit, and then moves towards the ranging rod, and horsehair is placed to make it in line, and after getting it in line, we can measure the angle by it. Now comes the calculation part, which we have to place in a field book. Suppose we consider a plot of various angles. Point A, we get this angle in a trapezoidal shape. First point A, at point B, point C, point D, and point E. Suppose we consider this portion as a north, then if we have to measure angles, we have to place a ranging rod over here. When we are standing over here, we can see through the ranging rod to get, and by this we get the front bearing of point B, and another ranging rod placed at a point C, which we can view from point B. We get the back bearing of point B. And suppose then the point A and B having different front bearing and back bearing. While this we get different angles, every time we get different angles. By this method, the back bearing comes for the point B is same for the front bearing for point A, and this process is same for point all different